Welcome to our YouTube channel MBBS Guide. Must subscribe our channel and like this video for new upcoming topics. Today our topic is abdominal cavity. Overview. The abdominal pelvic cavity is the region of the trunk that extends from diaphragm above to pelvic floor below. The abdominal cavity contains many vital organs including the gastrointestinal tract, liver, biliary duct, pancreas, spleen, and parts of urinary system. Liver. Liver is large, high vascularized organ that occupies the upper part of abdominal cavity. It lies almost entirely under the cover of ribs and costal cartilages and extends across the epigastric region. Pear-shaped sac that adheres to the undersurface of the right lobe of the liver. Its blind end or fundus projects below the inferior border of the liver. Esophagus, tubular structure that joins the pharynx to the stomach. The esophagus pierces the diaphragm slightly to the left of the midline and after a short course of about 0.5 in 1.25 cm enters the stomach on its right side. It is deeply placed, lying behind the left lobe of the liver. Dilated part of the alimentary canal between the esophagus and the small intestine. It occupies the left upper quadrant, epigastric and umbilicus region, and much of it lies under the cover of ribs. Its long axis passes downward and forward to the right and then backward and slightly upward. Small intestine. It is termed as small because of its comparative diameter and not because of its length. It is divided into three regions: duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. I will show diagram also in last. Large intestine. Large intestine is termed as large because of its comparative diameter and not because of its length. It is divided into cecum, appendix, ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon, sigmoid colon, rectum, and anal canal. Pancreas, soft lobulated organ that it stretches obliquely across the posterior abdominal wall in the epigastric region. It is situated behind the stomach and extends from duodenum to the spleen. Spleen. The spleen is a soft mass of lymphatic tissue that occupies the upper part of abdomen between the stomach and the diaphragm. It lies along the long axis of the 10th left rib. Kidneys. The kidneys are two reddish brown organs situated high up on the posterior abdominal wall, one of the each side of vertebral column. The left kidney lies slightly higher than the right because the left lobe of liver is smaller than the right. Each kidney gives rise to ureter that runs vertically downward on the psoas muscle. Suprarenal glands. The suprarenal glands are two yellowish organs that lies on upper poles of the kidneys on the posterior abdominal wall. Now the diagram of all those organs which I have defined you. Now see this diagram, your concept will more clear. Thank you for watching our video. Must subscribe our channel and like this video for new upcoming topics.